Good day, ladies and gentlemen. I'm JD. Welcome to my channel. Please subscribe. Please hit like. What do we have here? We have a very beautiful San Martin luxury dive watch, fully automatic. It has the model SN0017-G version 3. It has a thickness of 13 millimeters and the case diameter is 40.5 millimeters. The movement is an NH35A movement. The case material is 316L stainless steel. Beautiful case. It's got a band length of 190 millimeters and a band width of 20 millimeters. And it's an all brushed stainless steel strap. The water resistant is 200 meters water resistance. And it's luminescent BGW-9 blue light. So very, very gorgeous movement. This is the watch. This is the version 3 of the watch. The crystal is a sapphire, fully sapphire crystal, and it's got AR coating. The bezel is 120 click bezel, and it is unidirectional for diving, which is what you'd want for scuba diving. And it is ceramic. The bezel is ceramic, the top ring. And there are markers at the 12 o'clock position, and they're luminous markers. The dial color is black for this particular model, although you can get it in blue and green as well. And it's got an applied hexagonal logo, and it's 3D, the San Martin logo. I'm particularly fond of the San Martin logo. And it has a very beautiful folding safety clasp with safety pin and with safety San Martin logo on the clasp as well. So this watch is a 2-year warranty, and the watch would cost you around $250 from San Martin and going through AliExpress for the procurement of this watch. Let's have a closer look at this watch now so you can feel the quality of the watch. It has a Cyclops showing 2 right now, and it's a very high quality Cyclops, easy to read. And you can look at the bezel itself, and it's 120 click unidirectional bezel. And listen to the sound of this bezel. Extremely high quality. The crown is a screw-in crown, and it's got the San Martin logo on the crown as well. And you can see the solid lugs in the back of the watch as the strap meets the watch itself. And this is precision engineering, the way these lugs enter into the watch here. And the case back is a Rolex type case back, as you can see. So you'd have to have a Rolex type case back remover to remove that case back. Let's open the strap here for a second. And all you do here is you get your thumb in here like this, and if you don't have a thumb, well, you use your hand. So, and then you open this up like this, you press both buttons on either side, and then it opens up like that. And it's got a solid machine clasp here in the back, very high quality clasp. And you can snap it down like this again. I tend to push the buttons in to snap that down and roll that over. And you've got adjustment holes on the side, and the clasp. The actual strap is screw down strap, so you can see on the end here you can do the adjustments here, and these are all screws for the strap. Very high quality, and this is all stainless steel, 316L stainless steel. Very beautiful luxury watch. I'm not sure what else to say about it. It's a dive watch. It's got a screw down crown. I totally believe that this watch would do 200 meters without a problem. I just love the indices on it. I love the round markers going around. Very Rolex looking watch and hands. It's been mistaken for a Rolex on me many times, and for around a 20th of the price. So there you go. This is a San Martin, very well finished watch, and I highly recommend getting this watch from AliExpress. So thanks a lot. This is just a quick review of this watch. Please tune into my channel, and we'll have another review of another watch very soon. Thank you very much.